everyone, welcome to my channel Quantum Ideas. So today we'll be doing some of the problems related to graph transformations. Since I forgot to make video on this topic, so I'm adding this video as part 21. So let's get started. So let's see number 1. Let fx equals minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. If gx represents fx after it has been shifted to the left by 3 units and then shifted down by 4, which of the following is equals to gx? Okay, so fx is the given function that becomes gx under the given condition. So given condition is that fx been shifted to the left by 3 units and then shifted down by 4. So let's apply the transformation. So simply fx first is shifted to left by 3, that is when the function is shifted to left you have to just write fx. Since it is shifted to left you have to write it plus, and then by what amount it is shifted, that is 3, that is x plus 3. If the question says the function is shifted to right, then you have to add minus sign here. Okay, so then shift down by 4. So if the function is shifted down by, let's say, 4 unit, that means in that case you have to just subtract that quantity. If it's shifted down by 4, you have to write fx minus 4. If the function is shifted up, then you have to just add. Okay, this case is shifted up, so this is shifted down, this is shifted up. Okay, so since it is shifted down by 4, you have to subtract minus 4. Now our fx, so this is our function gx, this whole function is gx. Now since we have x plus 3 in place of x, so we have to plug and find the answer. So just plug here x plus 3 in place of x. So minus 2 x plus 3 square plus 3 x plus 3 minus 5, and don't forget to write minus 4. Now open the bracket, minus 2, that is a square, plus 2ab, that is 6x plus 9 plus 3x plus 3 is 9, minus this is minus 9, so this cancel up. So open the bracket, minus 2x square minus 12x minus 18 plus 3x, and this equals minus 2x square minus 12x plus 3x is minus 9. Okay, minus 9x minus 18 is your answer. So this is B, right? So B is the correct answer. So let's move to number 2. Let fx be a function. Okay, which of the following represent fx after it has been reflected across the x-axis, then shifted to the left by 4 units and then shifted down by 5 units? So the second part we can do it on the basis of the previous question, but what about the reflection? So what happens? So basically in the reflection, when a function is reflected along x-axis, okay, when the function is reflected along x-axis, just replace the function, that is y, with minus y, or you can simply write f of x is replaced with multiply f of x by minus, or you can simply write minus f of x. So this is reflection across x-axis, and if you have to reflect across y-axis, then just replace x in the function with minus x, that is f of x with f of minus x. Okay, and okay, if you have to replace reflect the function about the line, okay, about the line y equals to x, okay, in that case what you can do is that you can just interchange the y and x. Okay, simply you can do like this, y and x. So we'll be talking it about it later. Okay, in number 3, don't worry. Okay, now let's read the question again. So it has been reflected across x-axis, so this is f of x. Now reflect it along x-axis, right? This is the condition. So what the function fx becomes after reflection, this becomes minus f of x. Now shift it left by 4 units. Okay, minus, so f of x, so left, when it's saying, when it says left, we have to add, right? When it says right, we have to subtract. So this is fx plus by 4 unit and then shifted down, that is minus 5. So this is our answer, that is, what is the option, let's say, okay, minus fx plus 4 minus 5 is the answer. So let's move to number 3. If the point 67 is reflected over the line y equals x and then over x-axis, so what is the resulting coordinate? So there are two reflections, so let's do it. So first we have given coordinate, okay. Now it is reflected along the line y equals to x. What this reflection do is just it will interchange the coordinates, okay, 7 comma 6. Then we have to again reflect the line, so reflect this point, okay, over the x-axis. So we have already know here what happens. We have to replace the y by minus y. So this is our x, this is our y. Simply replace this with negative, right, y. So this becomes 7 minus 6. So option C is our answer. Okay. So what we did, we just interchange when it was reflected about y equals to x. Then what? To reflect it over x-axis, we just plug negative sign on the y coordinate. Simply. Okay, that's the 7 comma minus 6. Okay, let's go to number 4. Okay, there is a twist. Okay, the following is equation of a circle: x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square equals 9. If the circle is moved to the left 2 spaces and down 3 spaces, where does the center of the new circle lie? Now, if you try to solve the question on the basis of this theory, number 1, number 2, number 3, you will fail here miserably. Okay, why? We have to understand. First of all, circle is not a function. What? Circle is not a function. You can check if it is function or not function by using VLT, that is vertical line test. You can check it out, okay, on the internet, or you can study it further. So basically what I am saying is that circle is not a function. So not a function means it does not follow this transformation rules, okay. This does not follow, that is circle does not follow the transformation rules. So what we can do here, okay. So first of all, let me clear out. This is basically standard equation of circle, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square, right? So center is what? Center is basically h comma k. If you compare with the above equation, you will get c 2 comma minus 4, right? So this is our center. Now we have to apply this transformation, right? So circle is not, what I am saying is function. So you have to just apply what it is saying. Okay, let's see. If the circle is moved to left 2 spaces, okay, sorry, move to left 2 spaces, since it is moving left, so its center will move to left, that is toward the negative x-axis, right? So simply it is saying what? Left 2 spaces, just minus here on the x coordinate. Simply do what it is saying. But is in case of function, what we used to do, we used to add here, right? But don't do that, that will be big mistake. So okay, it is quite difficult to make you guys understand. Please understand, okay. If you have any problem, you can comment below, okay. And down 3 spaces means it's y coordinate, that is just plug here minus 4, and just and down by 3 space means minus 3 here, okay. So what we are doing here is we're applying our transformation. If it's saying left on the circle, we're doing minus. If it says right, we will do plus, okay. And that will be exactly opposite in case of function. Just realize that, okay. You have to realize. So C 0 comma minus 7, right? So that is the answer, and that answer is A. So I'm again saying circle is not a function. So perform vertical line test. So let's go to number 5, okay. Quite easy, I think. Number 5 is the function is defined by fx equals 7x cubed in the xy plane. The graph of y equals gx is the result of shifting the graph y equals to fx down 2 unit. Okay, quite easy, but here we are given the function cubic, okay. So f of x is given 7x cubed. Now gx is new function that is obtained by shifting the graph y equals fx down 2 units. It is quite easy, right? Since it is shifted down by 2 unit, that is minus 2, right? Since this is our y, so we are just doing minus 2, simple, less. So what is f of x? That is 7x cube minus 2 is our answer. Okay, this is our g of x, that is option D is correct. Okay, quite easy. So let's go to number 6. In the xy plane, the line L is the reflection of the line L is the reflection of the line M across the x-axis. If the equation of the line M is this one, what is the slope of the line L? Okay, this is the equation of line M, right? This is our line M, that is y equals 1 by 5x minus 6. Okay, what is the equation, okay, of line L? Basically, we have to find the equation of line L, and line L is the reflection of the line M, and that reflection is about x-axis. So what we say, basically when we take the line M, that is what, y equals to 1 by 5th x minus 6, and we have to reflect, right? Reflect across what, x-axis. What happens, we have to replace y with minus y. Okay, that means you have this function, just multiply this by minus, okay, and you will get the answer. So our new function M will be, basically y will be, just multiply that with negative minus, that is 1 by 5x minus 6, and that will be your required function M. So this is equals to minus 1 over 5x plus 6. If you compare it with mx plus c, your slope is what, minus 1 over 5. Okay, and that is it, answer minus 1 over 5. Pretty simple. Okay, so let's go to number 7. How does the graph of gx equals x square minus 1 compared to the graph of, okay, I think some mistake, graph of, let's say, fx. Okay, graph of fx equals x minus 2 whole square plus 1. Okay, so basically this question is like in the reverse order. We have to compare fx, right? Okay, okay, how does the graph of gx compare to the graph? Okay, we have to compare this gx with respect to f of x. Okay, so what, let me write, we have to compare gx with respect to f of x. That means what happened to f of x so that it become it became gx. Okay, I think that's the point. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, we can see here, so let me write gx is basically x square minus 1, and our f of x is equals to x minus 2 whole square plus 1. So we have to go from here to here and guess, or we have to find out what happened. Okay, what transformation was there, and option are here in term of transformation. So let's see, here we can see there is no 2 here. Okay, so there is only x square term, that means there is no minus 2 term. So in order to remove that, we have to apply here, x minus 2, have to apply plus 2, right, and whole square. That means, okay, I will talk about it later. And from 1 it goes to minus 1. So when is that possible? So that is possible when you subtract this f of x with minus 2, right? Sorry, with this one with minus 2, and you will get minus 1. So if you apply this transformation, then fx becomes gx. Okay, that should be clear. So that means what happened here is that since we have added plus to here, that means we have shifted the function left, right? Left or right? Since we have added plus, that means shifted the function left by 2 unit. And we have added here minus 2, that is shifted up or down? Down. So shifted down by 2 units. So let's check the option. The vertex of the graph, okay, the vertex of the graph fx move to right, not the answer. The vertex of the graph fx move to left by 2 unit and down by 2 unit. Okay, B is our answer. So correct answer is B. Okay, it is little bit confusing, but you guys can try out, and it is pretty hard to make you also understand. Okay, I'm finding it little bit hard time to teach also. So let's go to number 8. Okay, so we have given graph parabola. Okay, the figure above is a parabola of the equation y equals ax square plus 2, where a is a constant. If graph on the same axis, which of the following describes the graph of y equals 2ax square plus 2 as compared to the graph above? Okay, so we have given here the graph. This is graph for y equals ax square plus 2, but we have to compare this graph with this equation, that is y equals to ax square plus 2. So if you compare these two, so what transformation we have applied, we have to check out. Okay, so you can see here we have done nothing except where we have multiplied this part, right, by 2. So that means the coefficient of x square is here is a, right, only, and the coefficient of x square here is 2a. So what is a? Basically a is called vertical dilation factor. Okay, this is called vertical dilation factor. So what happens in this kind of parabola is that if the value of a will go on increasing, if the value of a will go on increasing, then the parabola becomes narrower. Okay, it becomes narrow and narrow and narrow. Okay, basically. So okay, so here we can see here the value of the coefficient of x square is increasing there. Okay, that means vertical dilation factor is increasing. Since that is increasing, what happening, the parabola is getting narrower basically. That means you can check the option C, that the new graph will be narrower. So basically if it was, let's say, given like this, y equals a by 2x square plus 2, here you can see the value of a is decreasing. That means in that case the parabola becomes broader. Okay, compared to the old one, it becomes broader. So that for today. So thank you for watching. I think so. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe Quantum Ideas, so I will bring you more videos like this. And I think it was one of the tough video for me to explain little bit, because I have not prepared much for this one. Actually I thought I already covered this in earlier videos, but I didn't cover. Okay, so that's why I have to make it on hurry. So thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.